Let's solve the seventh problem in non-reduction mixing process. While removing metal from iron, atomic weight equal to 56, valency equal to 2, density equal to 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. By electrochemical machining, a metal removal rate of 2 centimeter cube per minute is desired. The current in amperes required for the machining for achieving this metal removal rate is. I have to find out current. What is the formula for metal removal rate in electrical discharge machining process? This is the formula. AI by rho ZF. This formula is when density is given. Okay, units for this formula is centimeter cube per second. Here material removal rate is given in centimeter cube per minute. Convert this value in seconds. So value will be 2 by 60 centimeter cube per second. So 56 is the atomic weight of iron, 7.8 is the density. Please remember that density should be gram per centimeter cube. Okay, 7.8 into 2 is the valency into 96500 is the Faraday's constant. You will easily get current value, that will be 448 amperes. Option C is correct.